I'm going to demonstrate a long tail cast on. The first stage is to measure how much yarn you need in the tail. It should be 3 to 4 times the length of stitches you're going to cast on. Just for demonstration purposes, I'll measure 3 to 4 times the length of this needle. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to form a slip knot, and I'm going to use the yarn here to do this. I form a circle, and then through the circle I put a loop of yarn like so. So that gives a movable knot that forms the first stitch of your cast on. So tighten this up a bit by pulling on the ends and add it to your needle. So when you've got that on your needle, you can start to cast on the rest of the stitches. I put the tail yarn on the left hand side and have the working yarn on the right hand side, and then I hold the tail yarn in my left hand with these 3 fingers, and I hold the needle and the working yarn with my right hand. I wrap this yarn around my right index finger so that I can control the needle and the yarn. So I make a loop of yarn around my left thumb like so, and then I put the needle into the loop of yarn. I wrap the working yarn on my right hand in front of the loop I've just made, and I pull the loop over the top of that yarn, and then I pull the tail to make that stitch tight. So let's look at that again. So I have put a loop of yarn around my left thumb, inserted the needle, and then with the yarn in my right hand, the working yarn, I form a loop by wrapping the yarn from back to front of the needle anti-clockwise, and then I pull the loop on my left thumb over the top and pull the tail tight. So let's look at that again. So I've got the yarn on my thumb, the needle's inserted, I pull the yarn from the back to the front of the needle, the working yarn, and then I pull a loop on my left thumb over the top, let it go, and pull that tail yarn tight. So looking at that again, I have the loop on my left thumb, the needle has gone through that loop, I take the yarn on my right index finger, wrap it round the needle in front of the loop, and pull the loop over the top and pull it tight. So I'll do a few of these, and then you can get an idea of how it works and what it's going to look like when I've cast on. I'll probably cast on about 10 stitches. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's what the long tail cast on looks like. That'll be the wrong side because we would turn it to start working it here.